Bangladesh urges review of US trade deal after US Supreme Court ruling on tariffs. Economists and business leaders in Bangladesh have urged the government to reassess its recently signed trade agreement with the United States after the US Supreme Court on Friday ruled that Trump's sweeping emergency tariffs are illegal. The debate intensified after the Supreme Court of the United States ruled that sweeping emergency tariffs imposed earlier were unlawful, casting uncertainty over the Bangladesh US Agreement on Reciprocal Trade (ART) signed on February 9th. Officials said the government plans to formally seek clarification from Washington regarding the status of the deal. Commerce Secretary Mahbubur Rahman indicated that a letter could be sent shortly as policymakers evaluate next steps. The agreement had already faced criticism because it was signed just days before national elections and committed Bangladesh to significant import obligations in exchange for a modest reduction in supplementary tariffs to 19%. Analysts argue the concessions, including increased purchase of agricultural goods, liquefied natural gas, and aircraft, may outweigh potential export gains. Business organizations, including knitwear and chamber leaders, described the pact as uneven and warned that local industries, particularly small manufacturers and poultry producers, could face losses if American products gain wider market access. Exporters also remain unclear about how tariff benefits tied to the use of US cotton will operate in practice. Some economists suggest the country ruling provides an opportunity to reconsider or renegotiate the deal before binding obligations take effect. Others said Bangladesh should still pursue structured trade arrangements with the United States to ensure long term market access as the country prepares to graduate from least developed country status. The Commerce Ministry, however, defended the agreement, saying key provisions, especially those related to cotton based garments, were unfavorable and consistent with existing international commitments. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.